Begins in 1791, when the United States was a very young nation, and President George Washington decided that the new country needed an official residence for its future presidents. Washington chose the exact location of the building, but he never lived in it. Still, he is considered the founder of the White House project. To create the design, the government held a competition. The winning design came from James Hoban, an Irish-born architect. His idea was inspired by classical European architecture: large columns, tall windows, and a grand, elegant style meant to show stability and strength. Construction officially started in 1792, but building the White House was not simple. America did not yet have advanced machinery or technology. Most of the work was done by hand. The workforce included skilled immigrants, local laborers, and importantly and tragically enslaved African Americans, who played a major role in cutting stones, logging timber, and shaping the structure. Their contribution is a painful but critical part of its history. The walls were built from Aquia Creek sandstone, brought by boat from Virginia. After the structure was completed, it was painted white to protect the stone, giving the building the name we all know today, the White House. In 1800, the building was finally completed enough for the second U.S. President, John Adams, to move in with his wife Abigail. From that moment onward, every U.S. president has lived there. But the story doesn't end there. In 1814, during the War of 1812, British forces set the White House on fire. Flames destroyed much of the interior. Once again, James Hoban was called to rebuild it, restoring the structure to its original beauty. Over the next centuries, the White House continued to evolve. New rooms were added, electricity was installed, renovations were made, and the building slowly became the massive presidential complex we know today. Despite all the changes, the heart of the building remains the same, a powerful symbol, born from the vision of Washington, the creativity of James Hoban, and the hard work of thousands of laborers whose stories are still remembered. Closing. So, who built the White House? It was the dream of America's first leaders. Designed by an immigrant architect, constructed through the hands and effort of free workers and enslaved people, and rebuilt by resilience. Today, it stands not just as a house, but as a witness to more than 200 years of American history.